भारत हमको जहाँ से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। भारत हमको जहाँ से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है।
जय जय विद्या भवन भारती, जय जय विद्या भवन हमारा। ज्ञान कर्म की ज्योति जगाधा, अमृतमय विद्या सरसाधा। यहाँ जगत कल्याण सुधा की भगी प्रेम रसधारा। जय जय विद्या भवन भारती, जय जय विद्या भवन हमारा। भारत संस्कृति कला निकेतन, विकासाद साहित्य सनातन। नव विज्ञान कला कौशल का पावन मंदिर प्यारा, पावन मंदिर प्यारा।
Namaste, my name is Devi Krishna CS. I'm coming from class 11E. So today is a very exceptional day for us, all of us Indians. Today is our Constitution Day. And over the last 1 or 2 months, our social science department along with class 11 students have been really trying their best to put together the video that you're watching right now. So this year we have so many wonderful performances, so many different things to watch. But before getting into any of that, I feel like it's really important that I give you a little introduction on our Constitution Day. So, our Constitution Day that's celebrated on 26 November every year is to commemorate the adoption of our Indian Constitution. And even though our Indian Constitution was adopted on 1949, it came into power on 26 January 1950. And our Constitution Day is also known as National Law Day or Samvidhan Divas. So now that we have a little introduction on our Constitution Day, I feel like it's time for us to move on and hear a message from our wonderful principal, Dr. Bichuti Verghese.
Namaste. Today we celebrate our Constitution Day, the day that declares India a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic, assures all its citizens justice, equality, liberty and endeavors to promote fraternity. We remember our great freedom fighters and constitution makers on the occasion of Constitution Day, the day in 1949 when we, the people of India, adopted, enacted and gave it to ourselves this constitution. Let's rededicate ourselves to the nation and the constitution on this auspicious day. Jai Hind.
So now that we heard our message from our principal, let's go ahead and see other performance that we have for this year. So first, we are going to listen to the preamble of our Indian Constitution. That is the introductory part to our Constitution. And after that, we have a wonderful musical performance by class 11 students as well. So I really hope you're going to enjoy that. So let's go ahead and hear that.
We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and to give to ourselves thus Constitution.
स्वतंत्रता को बलि देता है, समता न्याय का बलि देता है। स्वतंत्रता को बलि देता है, समता न्याय का बलि देता है। जिसकी बदौलत भारत देश को मिला यह सम्मान है। भारत का संविधान है, भारत का संविधान है।
जो भी यहाँ पहनता होता है भारत माँ का नाम है। संविधान में इन बातों का रक्षा देखो ख्याल है। कोई मरे ना भूख प्यास से इसका प्रावधान है। भारत का संविधान है।
शिक्षा मिले यह सब बच्चों को, ये उनका अधिकार है। मूलभूत अधिकारों का भी संविधान ही आधार है। जात धर्म का भेद नहीं है, सबको न्याय समान है। भारत का संविधान है, भारत का संविधान है।
Next we have facts by Jopal and Devika. At the same time, we will be displaying some artworks related to Constitution by Agra and Archa.
Namaste, my name is Jopal Pinto and I am studying in class 11E. Today I am going to say some unknown facts about the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution is written in Hindi and English. The English version has 1,17,369 words, which has 444 articles, 22 parts, 12 schedules and 115 amendments. The Indian Constitution took inspiration from various countries like UK, USSR, France, US and many other countries. The Indian Constitution is one of the largest constitutions in the world. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as father of Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution was written by Prem Bihari Narayana Raista. Each page of Indian Constitution was decorated by artists from Shantiniketan. Thank you.
Namaste. I'm Devika from 11E. So, I'm going to talk about some more interesting facts about our Indian Constitution. The Government of India Act 1935 is the basic structure of the Constitution. December 9th, 1946, the Constitution Assembly met for the first time. The Constitution Assembly was the first Parliament of India, with Dr. Sachidananda Sinha being the first President of the Assembly in December 9th, 1946.
It took almost 3 years to draft the Indian Constitution.
And to be precise, it took 2 years, 11 months, 18 days to come up with the final draft. No wonder it is the longest constitution in the world. Before being finalized, as many as 2000 amendments were made in the constitution. The original copies were stored in the special cases. 26 January 1950. That's the dates when the constitution were legally enforced. Another fact is that the date, the 26th January, also chosen to declare the Purna Swaraj or the complete independence back in 1930. Our national emblem, the lion capital of Ashoka, was adopted on 26 January 1950. It has 4 Asiatic lions standing back to back, symbolizes power, courage, pride, and confidence. It's been a great honor to talk about our Indian Constitution. Thank you.
Next, we'll be having news related with articles by Ranjana and Sri Lakshmi, and also we'll be having dance performance by Ananti.
Good morning. We are all people who listen to daily news headlines. But have you ever tried to link them with the acts and amendments of our Indian Constitution? Today, on this Constitutional Day, me, Sri Lakshmi Shailesh, and my friend Ranjana Ranjit of class 11E is here presenting a video by linking the daily news articles with the Indian Constitution. The Union Public Service Commission has allowed unmarried women to apply for the National Defence Academy and Naval Academy examination. The move follows a Supreme Court directive on the issue last month. This can be linked with the right to equality of the Indian Constitution. The right to equality is one of the chief guarantees of the Constitution. It is embodied in Articles 14 to 16, which collectively encompass the general principles of equality before law and non-discrimination, and Articles 17-18, which collectively encompass further the philosophy of social equality. The NCB has detained 8 people, including 2 women, following a raid on a passenger cruise ship off the coast of Mumbai where drugs were being used. The Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act 1985 came into force on 14th November 1985. Under the NDPS Act, it is illegal for a person to produce or manufacture, possess, sell, purchase, transport, store, or consume any narcotic drug or psychotropic substance. Under one of the provisions of the Act, the Narcotics Central Bureau was set up with effect from March 1986. Dowry in Kerala leaves 24-year-old medical student dead. Dowry Prohibition Act, Indian law, enacted on May 1, 1961, is intended to prevent the giving or receiving of a dowry. Under the Dowry Prohibition Act, dowry includes property, goods, or money given by either party to the marriage by the parents of either party or by anyone else in connection with the marriage. Despite the revisions, however, the practice of dowry and dowry-related violence still occurs in various degrees within several communities and socio-economic groups of India. Bihar politics on boil as sender says no to caste census. The right to information is an act of the Parliament of India which set out the rules and procedures regarding citizens' right to information. It replaced the Form of Freedom of Information Act 2002. Under the provisions of RTI Act, any citizen of India may request information from a public authority which is required to reply expeditiously or within 30 days. Of matter involving a petitioner's life and liberty, the information has to be provided within 48 hours. The Act also requires every public authority to computerize their records for wide dissemination and to proactively publish certain categories of information so that the citizens need minimum recourse to request for information formally. This way, we have the right to access the caste census of India. In our day-to-day life, we come across many such news which we can easily relate to the acts and provisions of our constitution. If we try to by heart our constitution, we will never be able to do so, but instead, if we try to spend at least 5 to 10 minutes in relating such news with our constitution, automatically we will become familiar with our rights and laws, and also it helps us to fight for our rights if we feel that any of them are denied to us.
तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था, ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यहीं तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे, तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। लब पे आती है दुआ बन के, तमन्ना भी
never heard of. It's nothing but Timeline by Balamani and me. So almost we have come to an end to our programs.
The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. The document lays the framework that demarcates fundamental political codes, structure, procedures, powers, and duties of government institutions and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles, and duties of citizens. It is the longest written constitution of any country. It imparts constitutional supremacy and was adopted by its people with the declaration in its preamble. Parliament cannot override the constitution. It was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 26 November 1949 and became effective on 26 January 1950. The Constitution replaced the Government of India Act 1935 as the country's fundamental governing document, and Dominion of India became Republic of India. Constitution declared India as sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic, assures its citizens justice, equality and liberty, and endeavors to promote fraternity. The original 1915 Constitution is preserved in helium-filled case at the Parliament House in New Delhi. The words secular and socialist were added to the preamble by 42nd Amendment Act in 1976 during emergency.
In 1946, the British decided to examine the possibility of granting independence to India. As a result, a British cabinet mission was dispatched to India to hold discussions with the representatives of British India and the Indian states in order to agree on the framework for writing a constitution and set up a constituent body and executive council. Following this mission and the ensuing negotiations, a Constituent Assembly was indirectly elected by the provincial legislatures comprising 278 representatives and 15 women. Parties represented in the CA were the Congress Party, which had a majority, Muslim League, Scheduled Caste Federation, the Indian Communist Party and the Union Party. The CA met for the first time in December 1946 and by November 1949 the draft constitution.
I would like to thank our chairman C. Surendran sir and our vice chairman Nandakumar sir and our principal Dr. Biju Worki sir and our vice principal Shobha ma'am and all my teachers out there. Let me put some words clear to you. This program is conducted by 11E Humanities Batch and I would like to extend my thankfulness towards our class teacher Shalini ma'am and our history teacher Chitra ma'am and dearest classmates who had shown their full potential throughout this video. Thank you.